Hey beauties, it's Nikea here with my hair freshly washed, detangled, moisturized. It's actually dry because I let it set this way for a day because I didn't have time to do it on wash day. So I'm going to do some finger coils, which I haven't done in a long time, using the Mousse Deft Texture Foam by the Dew, which I am a stand for now. And I'm going to be using my Eco Styler gel for some hold. So I'm going to apply the mousse all over that small section, and then on top of that I'm going to apply a little bit of my Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel. So here's how I'm going to start my finger coils. It's kind of like when you start a Bantu knot. So just starting at the root and literally just taking your finger and coiling your hair and just making sure the hair is wrapped around itself really tight, and then once you get to the end, coil that around your finger, and I'm feeling that. And here I'm just creating my part. I love a side part. And again, I just wanted to show you all up close how I'm just taking my finger and coiling it around. Really, there's no exact science. Just make sure that your sections are the same size so that your curls will be the same size. But you're just taking that and wrapping it around your finger as tight as you can. And just making sure to coil the end. And I made sure to get as close to my roots as possible so that they can have some definition and curl as well. Now, as you can see, this one is puffy, and I realized that I was making them too big when I started. So the ones that were puffing out and were too big, I just took them apart and recoiled them into two separate coils. And this is my hair all done. The back section's already looking dry already. So I am just going to let this air dry for probably a day because I'm off work tomorrow, or a couple days. So I'm just going to sleep in my satin bonnet and let it air dry, and once it's dry I'm going to come back to you all and show you how I take it down. Alright y'all, I'm back with the takedown for my finger coils. I installed them on Monday night and it is Thursday morning, so my hair has been setting for 2 days. I'm going to take some of my OGX argan oil and put that on my hands before actually taking them down. Kind of run it through my hair. So I'm just gonna stretch it and then untwist it and just pull it apart where it naturally wants to come apart, just like you would do any natural hairstyle. So this did not come out. I like the curls, but the shape of my hair is just not the vibe. I don't know what to do now. And the gel flake. I love the curl, but the shape is just not. I had high hopes for this too. I'm about to use some of this Bonita Afro Balm. Flick this side back. Oh my G. Y'all, this is a fail. Like, I don't know. Like I said, like I like the curls, but the shape, I don't know. My coil used to be cute. Maybe it's the length of my hair. My hair is probably like an awkward length. Should probably be short. So now I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. So yeah, just pin this side part up. That Bonita Afro Balm did slick it down. That gel just flaked up too much. I did not like it. Ew. I did not like the way the gel flaked up. I love these little curls right here. So maybe I could do this like with a style, maybe like have some up and then coil it and then coil some that's down, but for my length and for my whole head, for me, So it's not a super total complete fail. I'll wear my hair like this for this video, but so y'all try it out on your different lengths of hair. Let me know how it worked for you. Cause I mean, the technique is simple, but just my hair length was not conducive to this life, honey. I feel like I gotta do it look this way so I can actually look kind of cute. But that's it for today's video, beauties. I'm gonna post this epic fail. Thank you so much for watching. But before you go, make sure you go down below and click that subscribe button. And right next to that, click that bell notification button so that you never miss when I post. Like I always say, it's free, it's easy, and it's fun. Again, thank you so much for watching, beauties, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. That kid's even look nervous. Ugh, I don't like my hair.
Don't like your hair?
I don't like it.
Yeah.